Hello, this is Robert Lambert, Robert Lambert Specialty Foods, and today I'm going to be making some hot chocolate, but not any hot chocolate. This is a gourmet vanilla truffle hot chocolate. And what I'm using for the chocolate in this case is one of my products. It's extreme vanilla bean chocolate sauce. Now you can use any chocolate sauce, but the reason I'm using this one is it has some very special vanilla in it. There is a family here in Berkeley that has family in Madagascar, and they bring in their own beans, and they're really, really special. It's really, really wonderful and supple and flavorful. And first thing I'm going to do is a really cool garnish, and first thing I'm going to do before that is put my glasses on. One of the most important tools. You're headed for some real trouble if you don't use them. And I'm going to chocolate dip these marshmallows. So you're just going to take the marshmallows and swirl them into the... This has been heated like 30 seconds. When it's heated for 30 seconds, it's liquid. And then we need these to pull it off. There we go. 1, 2. We're going to make 2 cups today, 2 servings, which is a cup of milk each. And the milk I'm using is whole milk. So this is the 2 cups of milk. And I'm going to put that on to heat. There it is. And put these out to cool. What I'm using is 1/3 of a cup of the extreme vanilla bean hot chocolate sauce. Okay, the milk is just right before boiling, and I'm going to take it off and add the chocolate sauce and then reheat it to heat it through. Okay, I've just stirred the chocolate sauce into the hot milk, and it's actually ready to go, ready to serve. So I'm going to pour it in. Okay, well now the marshmallows are chilled, and I'm going to take them out and we can put them on top of the hot chocolate. There's the second one. And then I'm going to take one of these beautiful melted vanilla beans for a stir. And that's how we make gourmet vanilla bean hot chocolate.